Hi, I am in a vacation right now. The place I am here that is in Reli, and behind me that is Reli River. So, being an Bengali, whenever I am going for a travel or vacation, I don't eat fish anywhere most of the time, 99%. So, I become vegetarian or chickenitarian. Vegetarian, if there is only vegetarian option, then only vegetarian. So, end of my tour, I always crave for the fish, and that's why when I'll go back, I'll prepare a very easy recipe that is with Rui Mach and Jhinge. So, the recipe will be Bata Masala diye Jhinge diye Rui Mach's Jhol. Thank you for watching my channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. So once my vacation is over, I'm going to share this simple fish recipe. You just try it whenever you are traveling somewhere. When you go back to home, you will try this recipe, and that will be a very good one. It's a very easy recipe, and at the same time healthy and non-spicy. So I'm going to enjoy my vacation, and once I'm back, you can enjoy the recipe. Let's start cooking. So what I have, this is rohu fish. I just marinate with salt and turmeric and fried it in mustard oil. So it was not deep fried, it was lightly fried. And I have this chinga, and I have this potato, and the spices I will use, let me show you. Let's start with the bata masala. What I'll use in this bata masala, I have coriander, dhone pata, turmeric, holud, kalo jeera, ginger, and green chili. And this is dhone, coriander powder, and this is jeera. So I'll mix up everything and I'll make a smooth paste. So you can make a paste in sheel nora or sheel batta, or in my case I will prepare the paste in mixer. So let's prepare the bata masala at first. By the way, I won't use all the kalo jeera over bata masala, just a pinch, and rest I will use in the foron. And this is the bata masala. After grinding everything all together, I just added 1 tablespoon of water, so otherwise it was not easy to grind. So that is it, and now I will go to the cooking. Let's start cooking. So I just heat the mustard oil. I fried this fish in this mustard oil, so I'm using the same oil, not extra. So for foron, a pinch of kalo jeera, and after that I will add the potato and I'll fry it till they are done. Just the potato I have to fry. So I have to fry it, cover it, and then I will continue the cooking. So let me fry it at first. Now let me check the potatoes are done or not. Okay, so it is fried properly, and now I will add this bata masala and I'll cook. So it can splutter, don't worry about that. And I will add some salt and little bit of sugar. So the salt, and to enhance the taste I'll add sugar. And I have to saute it till the raw flavor is gone. I have to saute the masala. It won't take much time. So the raw flavor is already gone. Now I will add the jhinge. Just I will give a stir, a proper stir, and I will add some water because I have to make the gravy. And now I will cover it and I will cook for a few minutes, so the potato and jhinga, they are well cooked and soft. So cover it with the lid. Now I will check if the gravy is done or not. Let me check. Yes, it's done properly. And now I will add the fish and I'll cover it for a couple of minutes and let it cook. The fish will soak over here inside the gravy and it will be cooked properly. So again I have to cover it up for a couple of minutes. And now I think the fish is done. Okay, so the fish is done, it's cooked properly, and I will serve this Bata Masala Rui curry with plain rice, and I will add some lemon as well, gondho lebu, not in the gravy. I'll serve it with the lebu. If you don't have lemon, that's okay, but I'll prefer with the gondho lebu. The taste will enhance. So for this kind of recipe, by the way, I have to switch off it. So you can see the fish is already done and I'll serve it with plain rice. Before that, I'll ask you, you can always go through Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu YouTube channel. There are so many playlists. You can go through the playlist and then you can check the recipes and other thing as well. You can check it in Madhurima's Kitchen Instagram. You can check Madhurima's Kitchen Facebook page for menu update or new menu or pop-up menu. And if you want to place order to Madhurima's Kitchen, always check Google or Zomato or Facebook page Madhurima's Kitchen. So try this recipe and let me know. Thank you.